Another frequently asked questions we get here a lot at CG Smile is, do veneers make your breath smell? If done correctly, the answer is no. But poorly fitted veneers can trap bacteria, causing your smile to not only have complications, but of course, smell. It is also important that you maintain proper hygiene with your hygiene process at home, but also visiting your dentist as instructed. So make sure you choose the right facility for your veneers. Do people usually regret getting veneers? Not very often, and those who do that we have met here at our facility is because they have gone to another facility elsewhere and they come here to correct their smile. So that's why it's so important to have a clear vision of what you want and choose the right dentist and the right dental facility. We offer you a free evaluation so that we can talk with you exactly what it is that you're interested in, and we can make your dream smile come true so that you don't have any regrets in the future.